2025. What was supposed to be my 5-year wedding anniversary, a day to celebrate love and union, but instead I drown all things feelings with as many distractions as I could get my hands on. A night to pretend, even if I needed a little boost of liquid encouragement to do so. I am beyond unwell. In fact, I'd argue that this is probably the most depressed I have ever felt in my entire life. With winter creeping around the corner, these feelings are getting a lot worse. So I'm taking matters into my own hands and changing.
Pushing myself to finally genuinely chase my dreams and chase exactly what I want and be so fearless about it, like I've been posting all over the internet on all of the platforms. And yeah, some of it's cringy. Some of it I regret. Some of it I'm so close to deleting, but I force myself to keep it on there because how am I going to get anywhere if I don't actually make things and finish things? And so that's kind of part of the plan, is to make videos so much more often and really truly try to push myself to do this. I think in this journey of attempting to really make filmmaking my full-time income, it's gonna have to require me to actually get out and do things and give myself the opportunity to film, because when I'm stuck in one space, I'm not giving myself the opportunity to grow as a human and to heal. How am I supposed to even remotely fix my life if I'm literally stuck in one little spot and I never leave? With this divorce, I have found myself just shutting down, keeping everybody out, keeping myself inside constantly, and never actually doing anything that's going to ever get me to where I want to be.
The sounds of early fall humming its healing song surround me. For the first time in weeks, I feel clear, free even. Adding nature to my life-changing plan was long overdue.
When I was young, my dad used to take us to nature parks pretty much every single week, if not multiple times a week. And we would walk and we'd talk and he would make us meditate. And I remember, like, as a little girl, loving this time and just loving how we all were together and outside. There were times though where when we would do something wrong, he would punish us by making us go outside. And I feel like that's what I'm doing to myself right now. I'm literally punishing myself as an adult to go outside so that I can stop being a sad, sad woman and actually appreciate that the world isn't actually that bad. Taking filmmaking seriously this year. I am so tired of trying not as hard as I actually want to try out of fear that when I try too hard, it'll be more embarrassing when I fail. And I'm so over that. So we are actually going to try and make filmmaking my genuine and full-on career. I'm going to attempt to make it happen. And if it doesn't happen, then I guess this will be really embarrassing. And I hope that I am wrong, and I hope that it is not embarrassing and that I can actually make this happen. Because Lord help me if I'm going to not make this my actual career. With this being my goal, I have been trying to genuinely plan out each video because I know exactly what the story is going to be rather than figuring it out as I go. Sometimes you gotta have a plan. And I admittedly have a really bad habit of having zero plan. We have our notebooks, we have shot lists, we have lighting ideas, we have all the things in here. I have been researching, I've been doing all of the educational work to make this goal a thing. Since the beginning of summer, I decided to do Pilates. I feel so good when I do Pilates. Just seeing what I can do now with my body after like being so unflexible. I was one of those girls where like literally nothing would work in terms of getting me to actually be able to touch my toes. But I can assure you guys that I can touch my toes, which is crazy. I can also do a lot of other really cool things with my body that I never was able to do. And I don't know why I had to take a divorce to get me there. But I'll take it because if I'm gonna get divorced, I at least want to be hot. So we're doing Pilates because I can do it literally anywhere. I'm in my yard, I do it in the house, and it's been making me feel so good. The coolest thing too is when you're following a video and the video used to kind of bring you some struggles throughout it, and then suddenly you're doing this video and you are not struggling at all. You're keeping up at the same pace as this hot Pilates lady. I take that as a win, a huge win, after feeling the most depressed I've ever felt. Guys, I've been getting outside. It's fall, well it's about to be, and it is so beautiful here. It is very mosquito-y because we had some flooding a little bit ago. But overall, this has been curing my depression, curing it. For those of you who have been patient in watching me over the years or over the past few months, or maybe you just found me, thank you. Thank you for being one of the people that makes this dream a reality. I have wanted to do this for my entire life. I have always wanted to make videos and create, and this channel became a dying channel. I stopped posting about 5 years ago, and for whatever reason, being true to myself terrified me. And now I'm in a place where everything in my life is so scary. It's almost like this is the easy part. Like, yes, it's awful. But at the same time, I'm alive, I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm healing, and maybe this is going to be for the better.